So in this video I'm gonna show you my progress for my startup and my new hobby, which is actually soldering and working with Internet of Things. I know that I'm a newbie and there is still more to learn, but hey, I enjoy that. Feel free to tell me if you think I made a mistake somewhere or I can do better, or propose me some tutorials, articles to read, or whatever useful information you can give me. I'm gonna be happy for that. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe for the channel, and enjoy it. This is the first video I'm gonna upload for my startup. In the next ones I'm gonna proceed with more technical, more AI, more business related things which I learn. Obviously I want to share everything I'm doing for my startup, and I hope I can help some people to get started working on their ideas, or at least start thinking how they can do it. So enjoy the video. Hello guys, 5 in the morning. I did wake up today a little bit later than usually. Jesus, this swamp here gonna kill me. Let me turn that off. And no. Oh, now it's go. That's better. So it's 5 a.m. and I have few issues from yesterday. First, my plan for Versio is not working correctly. I'm using the free version, but obviously I won't be able to use it anymore, because the free version allows you to have up to 12 serverless functions. Now I'll check the first one, which is around $20 a month. You know, when you have a startup, you don't want to spend way too much money on it. Your own money. So I'll check it out. And I'll make a plan and I'll add it to the finance to see how it goes, how am I gonna proceed. But where I am at the moment, I'm creating my AI agent. So yeah, feel free to watch me how I do that. If there is anything interesting about that, I'm gonna join in and talk about it. So yeah, have fun.